Okay, same thing, but we have a different shape. We've got the trapezoid again. So let's go ahead and figure out where are the original 4 points in the image. So these are numbered, which makes it a little bit easier. A is at -9, +7. B is at -1, +7. C is at -3, 2. And D is at -7, 2. So let's go ahead and do this translation. We're going to move down 8 and right 6 for each of these points. So I'm going to start with C and D. So down 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And right 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Put a point, D prime. Now for C, I know it's going to be here. And then right 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. C prime. Now for A and B. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Right 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is A prime. Same for B. This is down 6. This is down 8, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is B prime. Carefully connect. It should still look like a trapezoid. It should not look like a square or a rectangle. Now, let's figure out where these new points are. A prime is located at -3 and -1. B prime is located at 5, -1. C prime is at +3, -6. And D prime is at -1, -6. We're finished with this practice problem.